These wag bags are disposable, and you can biodegrade them. They can go into a landfill, and these are for if you need to go number one or number two. So these are super convenient. They're very small, as you can see. They're very little. You can carry quite a few of them if you need them for emergencies. Now they're designed for use. You can use them with their PETT toilet, which is not for these kind of pets. It's just a kind of a useful temporary toilet that these can be a component of. But these can be used separately. These are an all-inclusive kit. It's a bag with some ingredients in it that will gel and hold and start the decay of the waste. And there's also a way to ziplock and contain it so that it's all doesn't get all over. And then you've got toilet paper and hand sanitizer in this kit as well. So it's everything you're going to need to have to go to the restroom and then compost it. This isn't for use with any kind of regular standing toilets or plumbing. This is when you don't have plumbing or you're out in conditions where there's no plumbing at all. Hopefully this helps. These can be very useful.